Hello students, continue with chapter 11, three-dimensional geometry. Today our topic is distance of a point from a plane. The length P of perpendicular drawn from the point A, x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is, distance P is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon root a square plus b square plus c square. And when perpendicular distance between two parallel planes, then we take any point on one of the plane and then find perpendicular distance from this point to the other plane. And please note down, distance is always positive. Now we discuss question. Question number 1. Find the distance of point I minus 2j minus 3k from the plane vector r dot 2i plus 5j minus k equal to 4. Here, first we change vector form into Cartesian form. So point is 1 minus 2 minus 3. And Cartesian equation of plane is 2x plus 5y minus z equal to 4. And distance P equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon root a square plus b square plus c square. Put the value of x1, y1, z1. We get 2 into 1 plus 5 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 4 upon root 2 square plus 5 square plus minus 1 square. And this equal to modulus minus 9 upon root 30. So distance equal to 9 upon root 30 units. Question number 2. Find equation of a plane passing through the point 2 minus 3, 5 and parallel to the plane 3x minus 7y minus 2z equal to 5. Also find distance between the two planes. Here, equation of any plane parallel to given plane 3x minus 7y minus 2z minus 5 equal to 0 is 3x minus 7y minus 2z plus k equal to 0. Since required plane passes through the point 2 minus 3, 5, so put this value in second equation of plane. We get 3 into 2 minus 7 into minus 3 minus 2 into 5 plus k equal to 0 and k equal to minus 17. Now put this value of k in equation number 2. We get equation of required plane is 3x minus 7y minus 2z minus 17 equal to 0. Now distance between these parallel planes is distance of point 2 minus 3, 5 on second plane from the given plane, and distance equal to modulus 3 into 2 minus 7 into minus 3 minus 2 into 5 minus 5 upon root 3 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 2 square. And this equal to 6 plus 21 minus 10 minus 5 upon 9 plus 49 plus 4 under the root. And distance equal to 12 upon root 62 units. So students, I hope you can find distance of a point from a plane and you will do similar questions from chapter 11. Thank you.